Hey guys, what's up? It's time to do a speed test comparison between the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite versus the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. And S9 Plus comes with the Samsung Exynos 9810 chipset with 6GB of RAM, while the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite comes with the Snapdragon 730G chipset with 8GB of RAM. On the back we have a dual cameras on the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus compared to a quad cameras on the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite. So I am super excited to see how much a difference between a old flagship phone versus a new mid-range phone from Xiaomi. So without any wasting time, let's find out in this video who is going to be the fastest one. Now let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. Low camera first, little bit faster on the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, followed by the Xiaomi. And both phones is running on Android 10, and I just received the One UI 2.1 update on my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, and you can see S9 Plus it is faster when it comes to booting up despite having an old phone, while the Mi Note 10 Lite is also right behind there, about 2 or 3 second difference there between these two devices. And guys, you can see that both phones give you a beautiful display. We have a Quad HD Super AMOLED display on the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, while the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite give you a Full HD AMOLED display, and also both phones give you a curved display. But as far as the screen to body ratio are concerned, it is a lot better on the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite. So now let's see the app's opening speed. And guys, everything is closed up in the background, and you can see no app is running in the background, and also same Wi-Fi network on both phones. We have phone dialer, and you can see that was exactly the same on both phones, no difference there. Settings, and again exactly the same on both phones, no difference there. Mic lock, and that is huge faster on the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Amazon shopping on both phones, and you can see that, and still Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus it is just a tiny bit faster there, beat the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite. Let's see the scrolling, feels absolutely smooth on both phones, no issues whatsoever. Instagram, and that was exactly the same on both phones again. Now let's see Snapchat, again about the same on both phones. Spotify, and that is little bit faster on the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. The Twitter, and you can see again little bit faster on the S9 Plus. Now let's see some games application, and let's see who is faster there. Let's see Candy Crush Saga, and you can see that the S9 Plus it is faster there, and you can see, and still Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus it is faster there, which is obvious because this is a flagship phone from Samsung, but this is a mid-range phone. It is Subway Surfer launching at the same time, and you can see that the again S9 Plus I have to say, and you can see this time Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite it is faster there, followed by the S9 Plus. The Temper N2 on both phones, and you can see that the S9 Plus it is super faster there, while the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite it is take a lot of time, and S9 Plus it is almost done, while the Mi Note 10 Lite it is also done. We have some issue in this app I have to say, so that is why it is take a lot of time. Zedge, and you can see that little bit faster on the new Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite. And last time launching the cameras on both phones, and that is little bit faster on the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, followed by the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite. Now let's see the internet browsing speed. I am using default Samsung internet browser versus a Google Chrome on the Mi Note 10 Lite, wikipedia.org, and you can see that is super quick on the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite, followed by the S9 Plus. Next on the list is the Samsung.com, and let's see who is faster there. And you can see that that was exactly the same on both phones, no difference there between these two devices. Now let's see the scrolling, and feels really smooth on both phones I have to say. Now let's see the RAM management on both phones, and we have 6 versus 8GB of RAM on the Mi Note 10 Lite. Phone dialer, refresh on the Mi Note 10 Lite. Mic lock, that is not refresh. Amazon shopping, that is refresh again. Instagram, no refresh. Let's see Snapchat, refresh I have to say. Spotify, that is refresh on the Mi Note 10 Lite. Let's see the Twitter, no refresh. Let's see Candy Crush Saga, refresh. Subway Surfer, Let us refresh again. Let's see Temper Run 2, and now let's see Edge. And last we are back to the internet browser where we left, and you can see, and guys, overall I have to say that the app's opening speed, it is definitely a little bit faster on the old Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, and I really impressed by the performance of the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus despite having a very old phone, while the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite, it is right behind to the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. But the RAM management, it is absolutely incredible on the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus still, but many application refresh on the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite. That's a power of a flagship phone compared to a mid-range phone on the Mi Note 10 Lite. I hope the RAM management will fix with some software updates on the Mi Note 10 Lite. So thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus versus the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.